Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I welcome to all with the Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our topic is endocrine glands, and one of the most important endocrine gland is thyroid gland. First we discuss a brief introduction about endocrine glands, and you know very well about endocrine glands. You tell me, what is endocrine gland?
So endocrine glands are those glands that directly pour their secretions into the blood. They don't have any ducts.
Excellent, sit down. Thank you. Endocrine glands are ductless glands. They pour their secretion directly into the bloodstream. So one of the endocrine gland is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland, it is originated from the endoderm of embryo. Endoderm of embryo. Endoderm is one of the innermost layer of germinal layer. This is one of the germinal layer, primary germinal layer, and endoderm is the innermost layer. So this gland is originated from endoderm of embryo. It is largest endocrine gland, largest endocrine gland. Largest endocrine gland. It is about 4 to 6 centimeter in length, 1.5 to 2.5 centimeter wide, and up to 2 centimeter thick. These are the dimensions of thyroid gland. Shape of thyroid gland is just like the shape of butterfly or H-shaped. S-shaped. It surrounds the front part of larynx, and you know larynx is known as Adam's apple. It is surrounded the front part of larynx and the upper part of the trachea. Suppose this is trachea here, and this is thyroid gland. Thyroid gland surrounds the front part of larynx and upper part of the trachea. It consists of two lobes. Right lobe and left lobe. Both lobes are connected by a narrow band known as isthmus. This is a narrow band here. This narrow band connects the two lobes, right and left lobe, and such type of narrow band is known as isthmus. Thyroid gland produces 3 hormones: T4, also known as thyroxine, also known as tetraiodothyronine, tetraiodothyronine. Thyroid gland also produces T3 known as triiodothyronine. This gland also produces one more hormone known as calcitonin. So these three hormones are produced from thyroid gland. Can I change the slide?
Yes, sir.
Both T4 and T3 regulates the body metabolism. How these two hormones control the body metabolism? By regulating the rate of oxidation. The rate of oxidation. T4 and T3, these two hormones control the body metabolism. Control the body metabolism by regulating rate of oxidation. Rate of oxidation. Rate of oxidation and production of energy. These two hormones also promote growth of body tissues. Promote growth of body tissues and also help in mental development. T3 and T4 also stimulates tissue differentiation. Therefore, they affect the metamorphosis. T4 and T3 जो है, इन दोनों का बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल रहता है मेटामॉर्फोसिस में. और आपको पता है कि मेटामॉर्फोसिस क्या होता है? जब एक टैडपोल चेंज होता है किसमें? एडल्ट फ्रॉग में. ठीक है ना? तो इनके जो कैरेक्टर्स होते हैं वो चेंज होते हैं. इस स्टेज में इनके कैरेक्टर्स चेंज होते हैं. अगर हम बात करेंगे टैडपोल की, if we talk about tadpole is aquatic, having gills for respiration and having tail, but these characters degenerate when tadpole reaches adulthood. When tadpole reaches maturity. अगर हम बात करेंगे टैडपोल की, पहले अर्ली स्टेज में इसके पास टेल भी होती है, गिल्स भी होते हैं और ये एक्वाटिक होता है। लेकिन जब ये फ्रॉग बनता है इसके कैरेक्टर्स चेंज हो जाते हैं। पहले एक्वाटिक होता है, फिर ये बनता है एम्फीबियन। पहले इसके पास गिल्स होते हैं रेस्पिरेशन के लिए, फिर वो गिल्स खत्म हो जाते हैं, इसके रेस्पिरेटरी ऑर्गन्स बनते हैं स्किन, लंग्स। पहले इसके पास टेल होती है, लेकिन वो टेल डिजेनरेट होती है जब एक एडल्ट फ्रॉग बन जाता है। तो ये चेंजेस कौन लाता है? ऑल दीज चेंजेस ऑकर only due to these hormones T4 and T3. These are thyroid hormones, and these hormones are secreted from the thyroid gland.